In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a payment link on PayPal. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first want to do is open up our PayPal account. Now, once we open it, we want to sign into our account. And then at the bottom here, we've got pay or get paid. So basically, we want to go ahead and click on that get paid option. Now, it's got a few different ways. So we've got 3 different ways how to get paid. So we can request money, send an invoice, or show QR code. So if we go ahead and use the first option, request money, the screen's going to go black here. So basically at the top here, it's got the name, username, email, and mobile. Go ahead and put in their name, username, email, or mobile. And then below that says send an invoice to get paid. And then you're going to have to put in your password, and then on the next page it says create an invoice. So it's going to say bill to. We can change that from USD to Australian dollars, etc. This really sucks as I can't show you directly because of this privacy screen, but that's all good. Then from there we can add an item or service, and then it's going to have the total, and then we can also put the note to customer and go ahead and click on send, and then they're going to get that, and then they're going to pay that on their end. Now the other option is also send invoice. So if we click onto that, I'll quickly run through how to do this. So it's going to have the amount up the top here, and then we can also add tax. Now down below it's going to have choose customer, choose items, and then enter the amount and add note once you scroll across, and then basically go ahead and click on send invoice or share that link to that person who you want to be paid from.